Hi all, made a few changes to the cabin machine. Added another wheel. Got a Nova 600 grit soft wheel. And then 1200, 3000, 50,000 on there. And on rough, a 600, 240 I think it is, and a 120. Cutting disc. Just added a water spout for it though. Need to get the extra tube with a splitter up there. Put a guard in here just to kind of keep it away. Hopefully there's enough space to work in there safely. Put on some new, they're just like door draft excluders. Stop the spray and kind of keep the water equal across the front of the face of the wheels. Same on this side. These things are sewing lamps. Get them off eBay. LED, nice and bright. And then round here, this is the magnetic disc for the polishing pad. I don't actually have it on right now, but yeah, all good. And the plumbing for the water jets on here, just little brass fittings with stop valves up to like a T-piece here, and it kind of goes up to just a plastic bin with a float valve inside it. Keeps the water pressure nice and constant down here, like it's just the pressure from up top there, so it just drips nice and even. We're on tank water here out in Bathurst, so I have a pressure pump that kicks in every now and again. If we ran it off the mains, then it'd be impossible to get a nice even flow. And I just put this little camera stand thing on so I can actually record some of the stuff I'm doing. It's not very steady, I need to fix that. Motor's mounted underneath. Just behind this guard, there's a belt in there, and this is just a 240 volt motor. I think I got that, I think it was from Gym Cuts in there. And then underneath the other stuff here is just the plumbing, the two drains that come into one, and outside into the garden, and then the little stop thing here that kind of controls everything. It's got on off for the motor, and then if I need to kill the power to everything, I just hit the button, reset it that way, switch it on. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you my cabbing machine. As soon as I've tested it properly and I don't need to drill any more holes and all that stuff, I'm going to strip it all down. I'll prime it and paint it with 2-pack paint. Just so it doesn't rust away with the water that's on it. But yeah, this centerpiece here, I didn't talk about this before. It's just a bit of square box section tube. It's quite thick actually. It's about, I think about 8mm thick or something. Just welded some lugs on the top and on the bottom to hold the top tray, and then 2 bearings on either side here, and then there's a 1-inch shaft. The most expensive part of the whole machine was that shaft. I think it was like 120 Aussie dollars to buy, and then $650 to have the threads machined onto it, with a little shoulder here to hold the disc, the center of the disc. And the other side, again, you can see in there, just got some threads on it. That allows the magnetic plate to screw on, and then just a retaining nut. And all the wheels are really just held on with, it's just some conduit here it's a little bit oversized. I need to get some smaller stuff, but yeah, you just tighten this bolt hand tight, this nut, sorry, hand tight, and the pressure just pushes them off. It doesn't need a great deal of pressure to hold it all in place. But yeah, that's my little cabbing machine setup, just in case anyone's interested. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. I'll do my best to answer. All good, thanks.